Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Tag Manager for Analytics Data, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Google Tag Manager website. Click on the Start for Free button. If you already have a Google account, sign in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, select Create Account and follow the prompts to set one up. Once signed in, you will be greeted with a welcome screen. Click on Create Account to initiate the registration process. Enter a name for your account in the provided field. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Next, decide whether to share data with Google and other services, then check or uncheck the box as per your preference. Click on Next to proceed to the container setup. In the container setup, provide a name for your container. Choose where to use the container, web, iOS, Android, or AMP. Click on Create to move forward. You will need to agree to the Terms of Service agreement. After agreeing, click on Yes to continue. Now, you will receive a snippet of code to install on your website. Copy the provided code snippet as instructed. Navigate to your website's code and paste the code in the appropriate places. Once the code is integrated, return to Google Tag Manager. Click on Submit in the interface to finalize your setup. Add a description of your changes if you wish, then click Publish. Your Google Tag Manager is now successfully set up for analytics data. Congratulations, you are ready to start tracking your website's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.